How much does bar design cost? If you're a bar, hotel, or restaurant owner in need of bar design, where do you go to find this information? I have the answers for you right here in this video. Coming up.
Bar Designers, International Bar Design.
Hi, I'm Rick from Bar Designers, where I share my passion about bar design, draft beer system design, and product reviews. If you're new here, please subscribe and check out the show notes and affiliate links in the YouTube description below. Now let's jump into the show. Which of these two bars do you think would be more expensive to design? The answer is probably pretty obvious. How about these two bars? The answer may not be so obvious. There are many factors that differentiate the cost to design any given bar. My goal in this video is to explain general pricing guidelines for professional bar design. Specific examples people bring to us have a great deal of variation, so the practical approach here is to provide you with starting price points. We offer 3 types of bar design services and a host of optional features. The first service is bar consulting. The second one is bar equipment design, and the third is custom bar design. This pretty much handles any call that comes in to our office. If you need assistance for planning a new bar and you're trying to do it yourself but you're stuck on a few things, our bar consulting service is pretty much ideal for you. With this service, we offer a variety of things which range from basic bar layout, shown here, draft beer system planning, where we will help you locate your draft beer towers, decide where the walk-in coolers go, that type of thing. Next, we can help you complete your unfinished bar plan. We also provide dining seating plans for people who are looking for correct table placements. And lastly, we also provide budgeting for new bars with basic food service. These are for the do-it-yourselfer and those who are seeking primary information for purchasing or starting a bar or restaurant. Pricing for these services begins at $250. If you'd like to know more about bar equipment costs, bar construction costs, draft beer systems, that type of thing, then you need to check out this video series on startup costs for opening a bar or restaurant. Thanks for stopping by today, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. See you next time.
Bar Designers, International Bar Design.